To pair headphones or earbuds with the Redmi Note 14s, all you simply have to do is first actually put your headphones or earbuds in the pairing mode. And if you don't know how to do this, usually you'll have to press and hold the power button after turning on your headphones or anything like this. Basically, check the device's manual to find out how to put your headphones or earbuds in the pairing mode. After this, you are free to go into the settings on your Redmi Note 14s, then go for the Bluetooth and actually make sure to enable this Bluetooth right here. After that, as you enable it, the device will start to scan for available devices, and as you can see, you will be able to find your device just right here. After that, after you find it, you'll have to tap on it and pair. Simply press this button to pair, and now as you can see, we have these headphones connected. We have paired successfully our headphones with the Redmi Note 14s.